So today, guys, we are at Puff and Billy train, and I'm here with my boy Gareth. You can face the camera to you as well. Miami Iron Fist, and this is Legendary Gamer Pro X1. And we're going to we're going to which station? Menzies Creek. We're going to Menzies Creek station. Whoa, that's actually so cool. Right, it feels like spitting rain. Can you feel it, Lockie? Can you feel it, Lockie? Yeah. Thanks, Lockie, for warning me. Bit of a rocky road. Yeah, and bumpy as well. Wave to me, Eli. Say hi. You're on YouTube right now.
I'm on YouTube right now. Send this to Mr. YouTuber.
Very nice view. It's a very nice view, Lockie. You like it? It's a really good view as well. Very Whoa! Yeah, boys! Hi, guys! Welcome to Puff and Billy train station. Very beautiful, actually. There is a kookaburra somewhere. Gorgeous. Puff and Billy, and we enjoyed our trip. And I'm Legendary Gamer Pro X1. and this is Miami Iron Fizz. Subscribe to his channel. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel, and here's good content. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, you make sure to subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
And why?
Oh, so thanks for joining us, Gareth.
Yeah, you two on top of the window of the train.
That was pretty cool. Yeah.
That was fun.